Hey guys, so what I have here is a bunch of pairs of 99-cent store eyelashes, and I'm gonna try to show you how to make them look like a pair of mink lashes. These were bought from the dollar store that I purchased that was close to where I live. I'm pretty sure you can get them at like any, discounted place where they sell false eyelashes. These were $1. So you're going to need a pair that's dark and dense like these ones. And then you're also going to need a pair that's a little bit more wispy and has like a little bit more of like separation. And what you're going to do is pick which ones that you want to pair them up with, and then I'll try to show you and walk you through this step by step. I found this how-to video on a book on Facebook called Beauty Book, and I have the user who first created the video, and I'm going to try to link that down below in the description box. So let's just get started. I'm thinking that I want to do, I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. I think I want to do like these with, I don't know, probably, let's try doing with those. Or no, maybe we should do, yeah. Let's do those two. So mind you, this is my first how-to. I'm gonna try my best to do it the way that it was done in the video that I first saw. So what you're gonna need to do is take your two pairs of lashes that you have selected and obviously open them up. And you want to take them, and she said that you just need to just like scratch them. So scratch them till they are all completely separated and they don't look so like how these ones are a little bit more bunched together. You want them to be separated and as wispy as possible. I'm gonna show you guys a pair of mink lashes that I do own, and it's like a real pair of 3D mink lashes. These lashes will probably run you, like if you get a really good pair, like a quality pair of mink lashes, it's gonna run you probably like, I don't know, over $20, 30, 40. The most you're gonna pay is like, 40 for a good pair of mink lashes. So you want to see that like separation that's happening. You want that, that's fine. You want that separation within the lashes. Now I noticed that when she was doing it, like the lashes were like, some of the hairs were falling out, and I guess that's normal because obviously you're scratching them, so you're gonna see like a little bit of fallout of hair. Also excuse my nails, you guys, like I just got my fake nails taken off, so this is what I'm stuck with. But yeah, so just keep scratching so they're as separated as possible, and you just want that wispiness to kind of show up in there. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with how these are separated, so I'm gonna stop scratching them and I'm gonna move on to the next pair. Now these ones are a bit darker and more dense. I'm just gonna repeat the same process as I did with the other pair, and you can see that these ones are getting way more separated and wispy. I feel like this could be fairly easy for someone. Like I said, this is my first time trying this. I'm hoping that it comes out good, and if you mess up, it's only $1, so you're spending like $2 on a pair of lashes, which is pretty good by me, considering that mink lashes are expensive. So I'm just scratching them all up. Now, the pair of Mink lashes that I have lasted me about, like, I don't know, you'll see them. They're pretty, like, used. They are my favorite lashes to wear just because they look so natural and soft and layered out. And these lashes from the dollar store, I purchased them before, and they're actually pretty nice. They will last you a few uses, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna get the same amount of use out of them, because I feel like if you take care of your lashes, they last a pretty good amount of time. Like, put them back in the case and make sure that you're not like ripping the glue off too intensely. So I think that's looking pretty wispy. These ones didn't seem to have as much like fallout there as like the ones that I saw in the video. So she just said to keep scratching, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna take like a pair of lash tweezers and just kind of see if like separating them that way will do anything. I mean, it looks like they're pretty separated already. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stop because how much more can you scratch these? I think that's good. So now I'm going to take this lash and then place that on top of this one. And carefully. Wow, that's actually that's not bad, you guys. That's actually very nice. Like, that's pretty dang wispy in my opinion. I'm pretty impressed. Actually, I'm very impressed actually. I'm gonna take it off. Sometimes like you can glue them together if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that because I just feel like they'll be fine if I had them this way. Wow. I'm really shocked. Like, these are cute. Look at that. Look at the difference between just one lash by itself. What? Okay. I'm just so impressed right now. I'm gonna take this one and place it on top. Try to get it as close as I can to the other one so there's not like a big old gap. Wow, I'm impressed. This is really crazy. I'm gonna press them together to make sure they're like pressed together as much as possible. Wow. I'm really like, I think I'm gonna go buy more lashes to do this with. This is awesome. Like, no one wants to spend a crap ton of money on lashes. This is really impressive. This is very impressive actually. I'm shocked. That is crazy. Look at that. That is like, even if you look from the sides, that is so lovely. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a pair of real Mink lashes just so you can kind of compare and contrast to see if you think they look any different. I'll be right back. So this is a pair of real 3D Mink lashes. They are really full of glue. Like I said, I wore them like I don't know how many times. These are from the brand Miss Kissed Eyelash, 100% handmade mink hair. Girl, I just made handmade ones right now 100% on my own. So I mean, look, that's pretty close. Like, these are even darker, which I like. Like, I love a darker lash, and they still have that wispiness, and they're pretty dang close in my opinion. That is crazy. I'm so shocked. So this is kind of like a first impression, like DIY, do it yourself, Mink eyelash video, if you will. But I'm very impressed. I think I might have to go buy some more and try different styles and combinations. It really is all personal preference. Of course, if you guys don't like a fuller lash, you can always just do like the other ones that I showed you, which were these. And maybe even something even thinner, but just make sure that they're two different kinds. Like if you do it with the same one, I don't think you're gonna get that like as 3D effect. But I am definitely impressed. This is just, I'm mind blown. This is so awesome. I can't wait to actually try them out. But I hope you guys liked my DIY video, and yeah, if you want to see anything else like this, please give this a thumbs up. And whoa, careful there. And hopefully I can try to make some other ones and do some other videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.